Now we discuss the topic sorting. Well, talking about the sorting, whenever we are going to arrange the data, this is called the sorting, or there is some order which is given to us. Based on that, we are arranging the data, so that is called the sorting. So the simple definition of sorting says that arranging the data in some given order. So whenever we are sequentially arranging the data, this is called the sorting. Well, there are two types of data which is available. One is the numeric data, just like 8426. This is a data which is the numeric data. Or we have the character data, where we are having the characters like FDAC. So first of all, if we talk about the numeric data, here we can perform two types of sorting. One will be the increasing order, or second will be the decreasing order. So first of all, we are taking the increasing order. So if we talk about the increasing order, then we are going from the smallest element and we are going till the largest element. So if we are talking about the numeric data, here we are having 2, which is the smallest. Then afterward we are having is 4. Then further we are having is 6. Then further we are having is 8. So this is the increasing order sorting of numeric data. Now we are discussing the decreasing order. Decreasing order is exactly the reverse of the increasing order. Whenever we are taking the largest element and going towards the smallest element, that is called the decreasing order. If in the above numeric data, if we see the largest is 8, then afterward 6, then 4, then 2. So this is the decreasing order. So in the numeric data, we can perform increasing and the decreasing order. Now we are discussing the character data, just like if we are having some alphabets, F, A, C. Now on these characters we can just apply the sorting, which is called as alphabetically sorting. Now talking about alphabetically, we have to go with the smallest alphabet and going towards the largest alphabet. Now how we are going to find the smallest and the largest here? We know that every alphabet is having the sky value. Just like if we talk about the small a, it is having the minimum sky value, and talking about the z, it is having the largest sky value. And we know that the sequence is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and so on till the z. Similarly, we are going to find out that minimum here is A, then afterward we are having is C, so here we are putting the C, then afterward we are having D, so D is taken, then the F. So we can see that these are alphabetically arranged, just like our dictionary that is also arranged in the alphabetic. So this is how we can perform the sorting on the character data. Now we are discussing the different sorting algorithms and techniques. So now we are discussing the different sorting algorithms or the techniques for sorting the numeric or the character data. So the first technique we are having is the insertion sort. Next is selection sort, then merge sort, then bubble sort. Next is quick sort, then heap sort, and last we are having is radix sort. So these are the all sorting algorithms or the techniques by which we can sort the data. It can be the numeric data or the character data. So that is all about the sorting.